Hi, hello friends, welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to create a free website. So let's begin. Okay. So if you want to create a website, you should have to go to first Google. Then here, it is my mail ID. I will log in already over here. Then I will go to Google Sites. Then this is our site http://site.google.com. We have to go here. This is all our template files: family update, portfolio, event, self center. You see here, this is all our, first of all, we have template files. This is a website. I made it right now. Okay, I will go here, blank slide. So I will click here and I will type academy like this. Then if you want to change the font theme, font size, so you can change the font size 36. You can change the font alignment, center like this. You do the font bold effect. You can add a link also here. Suppose I want to do a google.com, like that you can do the link also. Okay, so right now I don't want to do the link, but I will enter the site name. What you want to add name of the site, you can add the name of the site name also. Like this, you can add a logo. Then here you can add logo like this. If you want any kind of logo, it should be in PC available, so you can directly upload the logo also. Okay, from here. Okay, you can edit the logo also. You go to edit, then brand. You can here you can remove it, and you can add new logo. Okay, then here it is images. So I want to change this theme, so I will select. If you have any kind of thing, if you have any kind of certain banner also, so you can upload it, and you can add a banner also from here of your PC. Okay, but I don't have this kind of banner, so I go to select, search it, and I will go to computer institute like this. Then I will add one banner. Okay, wait a minute. We will take one banner. Okay, I will take this picture. Okay, look at it. This is our banner. Okay, then next, if you add a certain things about your information about your institute or of your company or any kind of business, so this is the blocks element. There are blocks, so I will select this block. I will go here and I will select the image. Okay, I will type okay like this. I will put this banner and I will insert it. Okay, I will type about us. Okay, then next I will click here, skill courses academy was established in 1995. Okay, on last 27 years we give computer literacy program to all our students. Okay, then and now we are leading institute in a computer literacy program. Okay, like that I will type this. Then here you look at it, I will change the theme of here like this. Okay. Then next I will add a mission and vision of my institute also. I'll upload it, or I will select image here, mission and vision. Okay. Then I will click here and I will insert it. Okay. So I will type missions and vision. Here our mission and vision are very common. We give our mission and vision are to give computer literacy to all students. Okay, like this. You also change its theme like this. Okay. Then it is complete. I will be complete this first page. Okay. The next page you want to add certain type of courses, or you want to add a certain contact number, which kind of services you offer, which kind of product you have to show. So you can add in these pages. Okay. Then here you go. I will click on new page. I will type my courses. Okay, and I will done it like this. Here also you can change the image, select. Then you can go to the search courses. Okay, I will enter it. Then here you can courses of our my learning. I think so I will put one like this. Okay, I will put this. I will select it. Okay. Then here also I will put my courses list. First number, select it. I will go to Google image here. I will type first web design course. Okay. Then I will put this, select it and insert it. Okay. Here web designing. Then call for us for more information. Then next I will here select image. Here programming. I will type logos. I think so logo. Okay. I will put this logo. I will insert it. Okay. The programming. Then I will copy this. I paste it here. Okay. Then again our third, select image. Third course I will put it. Graphic design. Okay, I will put this, select it and put it and insert it. Here, graphics design. It will be like this. Okay. Then next, I complete my second page also. Suppose you want to add one text box here, you can add text box here. Our hot leading courses like this. Okay. So you can add this kind of theme and you can put over here also like this. You can give the change color of this theme. You can put this. Okay, sorry, wait a minute. You can change this theme like this, or you can change this theme like this, whatever you like. Okay, then here you can change your theme of here also like this. Okay, this is kind of, you can change theme also. You can add a footer also if you want to add a footer. So go to home tab, you can add your own footer. This is our leading institute, in our city like this. Okay, this is our footer, and this footer is come to all of these pages. Look at it. Okay, then next you can add new page over here, certain new pages. Then go to here and you can give the contact and done it. Right now I will change this theme also. I will select it. I will go to the search bar over here and I will type contact and enter it. Okay, I will put one contact over here. This is like this. I select it. Okay, wait a minute. Look at it. It is our contact. Okay, this theme is different. Okay, then go to add. If you want to go to add buttons, look at it. It is at different categories. So if you want to add a table of content, you can add images only. So you want to add only buttons, dividers, spacers, social links. You want to add it. You want to add YouTube videos, you can add this YouTube videos. Calendar you will add, maps you will add. All these things you will add. You will add also Google Forms also. You will add charts also. Okay, these different categories you will add over here. Okay, so I will show you first buttons. I will click on button and I will type contact. CNTSCT contact. I will give the link of our courses. Okay, and I will insert it. Look at it. Its buttons are show over here. Then what? I want to add my contact number also. So go to text box and I will add my contact number like this. Okay, so I will like this and we will move over here, and you can also give them certain bold color. Add it. This is center of this. Okay, like that. You can add a certain alignment subheading like this. Okay, like that you can add. Okay, then next you want to add a map also. You can add a map also. I will go to the map. I will type Pune city. Okay, go to and select it. Look at it. We have show some map over here. If you want to add a form, you can add a form also. I will add one form. So for right now I have one form here. You can add the form over here also. Okay, it is inquiry form. I will add this kind of one form. Okay, so I will put over here like that also. Okay, like this. Okay, look at it. Is our form also come here. Okay, like this. Okay, see, look at it. Our Google map. This map are shown. This is our contact are shown. This is form are required here. Form are shown over here. If you add a calendar also, you can add a calendar also. You add a certain videos, you can add videos also. Suppose you add one pages, you can add one page, and you want to add videos, you can add a video also. I will enter it. This is video theme are open our. I will go to select button, then videos, video theme like this. So I will go to here and I will submit it. Okay, look at it. Our video theme are shown, and you will add also. You go to the insert. You go to the YouTube. Suppose I will add education videos. Education. Okay, Then suppose you want to add this video, go to insert, look at it, this video will add over here. Okay, like that you can add a certain video also, you can also add pictures, images also. So look at it, is our images option, images. Okay, you can add this image over here also, upload, you will select image also, and then you will insert it. Then this image is shown in here also. Okay, then next, here look at here, this is our first page of our title of the first page, home page. Then this is our courses, our contact page, this is video hour. Okay, this kind of pages we are creating right now. Okay, I will select it. Then another I will create it, video pictures, like this. Okay, I will make video marketing like this. Okay, look at it, we are create this theme also. Okay, then next, look at it, you go to here, setting option. When you go to setting option, these are navigation buttons. These are brand images, viewer to, these all are our setting options. So I will click on brand, you can delete this logo or you can add a new logo also here. You go to viewers too, you can add icons also here. You can add your domain name like of here, you can create your own domain name using godaddy.com, and you can create your, you should have to purchase the domain name and you can put this domain name over here also. Then your account will get, then you can publish this. Analytics means what? This is, this website you can add in Google Analytics also. You can add a banner also here. Okay, then after you creating all this thing, then you should publish this website over here. This website directly go to our, directly on your Google site. Okay, this thing all should get done in this website making. Okay, so right now I tell you about all how to create free website. So if you want to add a certain, if you want about all these new things, so please like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.